It's 6 a.m. again. I slept for 7 hours, but I feel like I ran a marathon. My legs are heavy. My head is full of fog. I have to get up. If I'm late, the boss will notice. If I'm late, I lose my bonus. If I lose my bonus, I can't pay the rent. I am a prisoner of my own bills. Foundation, mascara, lipstick. Hide the tired Mia. Show the professional Mia. Does it matter? No one really looks at me. They only look at my spreadsheets. I used to love this dress. Now it feels like a uniform. I feel like an actor getting ready for a play I hate. I just want to go back to sleep. For a week. Maybe for a month. Look at all of us. We're all going to places we don't want to be. I have 40 years of this left. 40 years of trains and offices. Is this it? Is this my life? I feel like a ghost in a crowd. Hey, Mia. Good morning. How was your weekend? You ready for the big meeting? Hey, Sarah. It was great, thanks. Yeah, totally ready. Let's do this. My weekend was spent crying and sleeping. I am not ready. I am never ready. I just want to disappear. But I smile. I always smile.
Mia, great job on the report yesterday. I need the new marketing data by 2 p.m. I know it's a lot, but you're the best we have. Can you handle it?
Of course, Mr. Henderson. I'll have it on your desk by then. I have 5 other things to do. My back hurts. My eyes burn. He doesn't see me. He sees a machine. I am just a tool to finish his tasks. I hate this chair. I hate this light. I hate this air. Coffee for energy, sugar for focus. It doesn't work anymore. I am drinking this just to stay awake. I am so empty. If I quit today, what would I do? I have student loans. I have a car payment. I can't quit. I am stuck. Just 5 minutes. I just need 5 minutes of silence. I can't do this. I can't go back out there. Stop it, Mia. Be strong. You need this job. You need the money. I am breaking. And nobody knows, not even my mom, not my friends. I'm the successful one. If I fail, everyone is disappointed. I am so tired. Home. I am home, but I feel nothing. I am too tired to cook. I am too tired to shower. I did nothing today, but I am exhausted. The work is done, but the stress is still in my body. It never leaves. I feel like a battery that won't charge. She looks so happy. He is traveling again. Why is everyone's life moving, but mine is standing still? I work 50 hours a week for a life I don't even like. I have to sleep. I have to wake up in 6 hours. Why can't I stop thinking? I need a change. I need to leave. But how? I have $0 in my savings. I am trapped in this cycle. If I die tomorrow, would my boss care? No. He would post my job on LinkedIn by Friday. I am giving my life to a company that doesn't know my middle name. I forgot her. I forgot the girl who had dreams. I became a marketing associate. I became a paycheck. I can't quit tomorrow. That is the truth. But I can't stay like this. I am dying slowly. I don't need a new life. I need to find my life again. I am still tired. I am still scared. I will go to work tomorrow. I will smile at Sarah. I will finish the spreadsheets for Mr. Henderson. But I am not just a machine anymore. I am starting. It is a small step, but it is mine.